Hello, my family. Guess what? You need a hook. Stay tuned to this video so you can understand what you need to do to find out where your people, your viewers, are dropping off at. And if you stay until the end, I have a surprise for you that will bless your channel on a video that you can make. So stay to the end so you can learn. You know what, family? We've been wasting so much time doing these intros, making them long, putting every Hollywood production, trying to get people enticed into our video. But you know, a lot of times, after they watch that intro, they drop off. They say bye-bye. Your intro doesn't need to be no longer than 20 seconds. 20 seconds at the longest. If you have an intro, it's your choice. But you need to start watching your analytics, see where your people are dropping off at. You need to get a hook. A hook is something to bring people in, to get them to stay, something to entice them that they'll want to stay and watch your video. If you have a long intro, by the time they get through watching that intro, they through. Because your video may be for 14 minutes, but nobody is watching a video that long, 14 minutes. Some of your dedicated followers will, but majority of the time, they're not watching that video. Start checking your analytics and see where people are dropping off on your videos. The first 10 to 30 seconds is where you need to get them hooked. And if you have an intro, like I said, it doesn't need to be no longer than 20 seconds. But I'm cutting out intros completely. It's up to you what you do for your channel and your videos. But YouTube counts views. They count your views after 30 seconds. That's when your view count starts. So if you have this long intro and then you're going into what you're going to have, you're going to introduce everybody, all your kids, your husband, your grandmama, your mother-in-law. You're going to introduce the dog, the cat. You're going to introduce everybody, but tell what the video is about. Then to top it off, after you do that long intro, when you come to the point of the video, you're going to tell about yourself and how you got started and how the channel started, rather than going into the video. Cut it out. People are not going to stay and listen to all that about your family tales, how you got here, what you done. They're not interested. Get to the point. Get to the point and stop doing these long, you make your intro, then you have another intro. We need to cut it out. Cut the intro. There is no value. As the title says, there is no value to your intro, because your people will start dropping off, and you don't need that. And remember, after the first 30 seconds, that's what YouTube, when your view count starts. Plan your video. Just don't go haphazardly, oh, I'm going to walk in the park today, so I'm just going to do a little video about that, which is fine. But think through your videos. I've seen a lot of videos, nobody's think, they just record anything. Your video needs to have value. You need to have some kind of value. We wonder why our views are not popping the way we think they should and not going the right way. That is why. You need to look at your video. After you upload this video, or while you have it in editing, when you get through, you need to watch your video for yourself and see if you can stay and watch this video the whole time. Where do you drop off on your video and stop looking at it? And if you yourself stop dropping off at a certain point, don't you know other people gonna do the same thing? We need to get things lined up the right way so we can keep viewers watching our videos. Don't do your video for yourself. We don't want to hear about all your degrees, where you went to school, how many children you got. We want to hear about the video. What is the video about? People will start, if you go and look in your analytics, a lot of people start dropping off then. You want them to get the value of your video. Quantity and quality and quantity don't matter if the value isn't there for the viewers. You hear me? Quality and quantity don't matter if the value is not there for the viewers. And I got that from another YouTube creator, and I said, that is well said. You got to have value in your video to keep people staying and watching your video. And quit putting up these haphazard videos just to say, I've done a video today. Get some value in that video. Think about it. And going back to the CPM and the RPMs, check your analytics. Go through every one of your videos. See which video has the high CPM. That's where your money is at. Don't just create anything. When you see a video, because when I first started, I did a lot of slide videos of flowers and other flowers. They were slide videos. Those videos, the CPMs are very, very low. I did not know this when I was creating my videos. Some of them, they may be $5 for 1,000 views, $5, $7. Maybe up to $10, and then your RPM is $3 because your CPM is what with the ads before YouTube takes out their share of that. So your RPM is exactly what you will get. I have went through every one of my videos and looked at my CPM and RPMs. I know my videos now, which way to go that pays the most. Haven't you seen small YouTubers, their checks, when you hear them talking about their checks and how much they make, they can have lower views on a video than someone, a big YouTuber that's having thousands of views on their video, because their RPM, their CPM is probably like $7, maybe $5, maybe at the most $10. Then you come along with a video and your RPM is $140. That's right, $140. Some of my videos, my RPMs are very, very, very high. And the ones that when I went through them, and the ones that I thought would be really high were low, and the ones that I thought would be low are high. But I know the direction I need to go now for myself. Watch this trendy stuff. I used to think trendy videos was the thing to get into, but you want to get evergreen videos that I told you about before. Videos that while you sleep, you still get paid. You get views. You want to think on that thing because you want those evergreen videos that will pay you continually years down the road. You maybe don't even quit YouTube, but you're still getting that check from those evergreen videos, not just haphazard stuff. Now, our reaction videos, a lot of people are doing it. I ain't knocking it. You get a lot of views. You get a lot of views, but it don't pay nothing. Look at their CPM. If they share it with you, their CPM and RPMs are low. And a lot of them got copyright strikes against them. They're sharing the monies with the people who they are reacting to. So that's low. Yeah, they got the views. It's high. They got the count. They may be up to 1 million in views. But you may be there with a video with 10,000 in views, and you're making more money than they are because your CPM is higher than theirs. Because reaction videos, their CPMs are not that high. Prank videos are not that high, but people are doing them a lot. So research, look into it, think about it. Most of all, pray about it before you make that video, so you know which direction to go in. You won't be wasting your time, and you won't be wasting your viewers' time. This is a think video for you today. And I also want to tell you that I said that if you watch to the end, that you will get a little bonus today. And the bonus today is for a video. Have you ever thought about making a versus video? Like, for an example, Amazon versus Walmart, Costco versus Walmart, Amazon. You could do like Costco's chicken versus Walmart chicken. Not that per se, but I'm just giving an example. Versus videos will bring you great views. So if you need to get some views up, do a verse video. Try it. Let me know how it works for you. It could be Jergens lotion against store-bought lotion. Anything. Something vs the other. Try it. Let me know how it works for you. Leave me a comment and let me know how it blesses your channel. I'll be very interested in knowing.
Getting ready for my miracle. Getting ready for greatness. Getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle. Getting ready for greatness. Getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle. Getting ready for greatness. Getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. I'm growing.